Hello again, curious strangers and my beautiful gems. It's your girl Crystal. In today's video, we are going to talk about this product here. I'm holding it upside down. Okay. So many people have been claiming that this little product right here is responsible for growing their butt. And listen, I know that part of my job on here is to talk about products that claim to do that already. And that's why I wanted to incorporate these other DIY tricks that people have claimed grow their butt. So if you want to know if this actually does work, keep watching. We're about to get into it. So how did this suddenly become a good option to grow your glutes, do you ask? Well, in 2017, there was a surge of new blog posts coming up about what this thing is doing for people's butts. And there wasn't really a whole bunch of before and after pictures like you would find with certain things that claim to do that, if you know what I mean. But there's still a lot of different sources pointing to this little thing right here to help grow people's butts. And I thought that was interesting because, you know, I'm always looking on the prowl for stuff that claims to do that isn't cap, but I have a feeling that this is.
This is the shit that I hate.
One blogger even said if you mix this with omega-3, vitamin E, and wheat germ and apply it every morning for 3 weeks, you will definitely see results. Guys, I totally wasn't even gonna bother testing that and sharing my results because I know the results aren't gonna be there. But I thought it was interesting how there are still recipes and ideas that people are coming up with to use this in a way that's gonna actually grow their butt, or at least that's what they think. If you look at these ingredients, some of them are things like texture enhancers for the product itself, preservatives, Jesus Christ. Preservatives, moisturizing agents, thickeners, and low-level AHAs. And all of which do help promote the skin's overall integrity, but nothing else. So, yeah. And listen, what we're not gonna do is shame people for wanting to see if this actually works. Let's be real. The whole point of why people are doing these things and are trying to find non-invasive ways to grow their glutes is because A, they can't afford a BBL, and B, maybe they're just way too scared to go under the knife and get a BBL themselves. So they're trying to find these safer alternatives that aren't really expensive, that they can probably find in their kitchen or their bathrooms already, and give them a donkey like Meg Thee Stallions, if not bigger. Okay, so I get it. This is a safe space, so if you're one of those people and I'm talking to you, I'm not shaming you. But this is why you need to stay watching my videos because we gotta put this one to rest, okay? Listen up. I did a little digging and some people have even asked online how true that this cream has worked for people trying to grow a butt. And thankfully, one of the responders did say, as a college professor in the Department of Biology, he stated that these creams mainly stay at the level of the epidermis. They hardly reach the dermis, which is a skin layer quite far from the muscle tissue. So it's just gonna work on your skin. It's just gonna work on your skin. No. And I don't want it to pass y'all that I have reviewed creams that claim to boost your butt. And the cream that I did review, I said that it didn't really do anything. And it didn't. And I wasn't gonna lie to y'all because I was getting compensated for that promotion. I really didn't see any change. And even if it's this big of a difference, I will state that it's this big of a difference. If it doesn't work, it just doesn't work. Period. Yes, I'm just saying that because people want to misunderstand me and I don't understand why. But I will gladly keep trying this junk because y'all seem to like when I do that. And I'm, you know, I'm here for it if y'all are here for it. I'm not even sure how people get away with saying a cream, a topical cream will be responsible for enlarging the mass on your body. I get maybe like glosses that, you know, feel like peppermint or some sort of essential oil that makes your skin kind of tingle in a really good way. And it makes the blood rush to your skin and it obviously swells up. That's not what majority of the ones I've tried have ever done. And Nivea sure as hell doesn't do that. And even if it did, it just wouldn't be such a big difference. So I just want y'all to know that's the raw and honest truth. And I know some of y'all are disappointed for those of you who found me looking up somebody testing this out. But listen, girl, stop here, okay? It's okay. it's okay. I'm gonna tell you how to actually do it and do it the right way, how to grow that butt the right way. And honestly, don't feel bad if you end up still wanting to purchase Nivea Creme after watching this video or any of the other butt enhancement creams that are out in the market. Just know that if you're going to use it, it's only going to help reduce the appearance of saggy skin. Some people might just want that, you know what I mean? But if you're wanting it for a bigger butt, I just don't think you're gonna be satisfied with the results. But do whatever you want to do. Just know that I'm not promoting this as a butt solution. There's no way I would promote this as a no. Love this, you know, and I love the moisture everywhere that it gives, but it's not gonna grow your butt. I mean, you could still have a pretty flat booty if you wanted to.
For all flat surfaces.
As honest as I always am on these videos, whether people want to believe that or not, there are some things that just cannot do what they claim to fully do, especially when not combined with other practices like going to the gym and lifting heavy on glute day and leg day and making sure your diet's clean but you're eating in a calorie surplus. All of these things will lead to the right curves in the places that you target during your gym and as you eat, things like that. The only major change I've ever experienced on my butt, first of all, wasn't even that detectable until several months in of my weight training and, you know, dieting differently and taking more calories. It took months for me to start to see a difference with my curves. And then I would say years for me to finally be at 44 inches around my hips, baby. And that's all natural. I think if you have natural supplements around that claim to do well to grow your glutes and to grow other areas, then of course like those things will help. But again, I don't think that those things will do such an immense job over eating right, like I said, and working out in the gym, weight training, things like that. So I hope you all now feel more informed about this type of solution for a bigger butt. In case you were interested in ever finding out the truth, comment down below what your thoughts are. Have you tried this Nivea Creme hack? Have you even heard about it? And if so, what are your thoughts? Let me know. If you've missed my last few videos, I forgive you this one time, but what you gotta do now is make sure you get all notifications so that anytime I post, you are notified. And I don't really post 6 times a day like some people, so I think that it would be okay if you have my notifications on. I'm just saying. I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye.